Quick update on the ZTX5 54-inch deck zero turn mower. I've had this thing for about 5 years, maybe a little bit more. This thing is at 118 hours right now. And yeah, 118.7. And this thing's been great. I mean, I have about 2 acres to mow, and I mow every week, sometimes twice a week. And this thing's amazing. This thing is fast enough, but I haven't had any problems with it at all. Except for now. As you can see, I got some new blades and some oil filter and then the fuel filter. And then the guy said, hey, you can just blow the air filter out. Usually they last forever. It's basically like a cold air cannon. But check this out. This is the reason why I have it lifted up. Look at this blade. This one, and then this one is about to leave the chat. This piece actually flew out the other day and hit the window in my house and busted my new window. Not sure how that happened. I mean, didn't really hit anything. Recently haven't hit anything, but maybe from before it was cracked. So anyways, I'm gonna clean up the deck, change the blades, change the oil, and it'll be good to go. But in the last 5 years, all I've done was oil changes, put gas in it, and I did have to replace the battery because I think the original batteries on anything, cars, mowers, when they come, new from the factory, they just don't put good quality batteries in it. So I put a really good one in there when it died the first time. So, all right, let's get those blades off. Oh, and this is totally my fault. I need to get a new one of these. If I had a new one of these, I probably wouldn't have cracked the window on it. So here's a closer look on the blades here. This one is completely missing. This one is cracked, was about to fly off. They're all on the edge of cracking, but look at the thickness difference with this one and this one. I can't believe that actually wears down like that. And this is not even the cutting side. This is the cutting side, so that's crazy. I mean, I guess I can't complain. I've never changed these. I think I got them sharpened once when I got the oil change done. That was done at the Cub Cadet, but that's a crazy difference unless they upgraded these blades, which I doubt. The whole blade just looks thinner. Wild. And this is why you never want to be close to a mower or anyone mowing. Because if this piece right here flies out and hits you, or that piece was about to come off and hit something, you may not make it to work the next day. All right, new blades are on. Mowing's about to get a lot more satisfying. This has to be the worst place for a filter. Like, where do you even drain it? I guess I could put like a little cup under there or something. So the new filter is a little bit bigger and it's yellow, almost matches the color of the mower. But yeah, just putting a cup under there worked perfect. One last thing to do is go ahead and get this filter out and blow it out with some air. Oh, I don't even need a screwdriver. Look at that. I don't know. I was trying to buy a new one of these, but the guy at the store really convinced me. He's like, you don't need it at 100 hours. Should have just bought it anyways. Look at that thing. It did clean up pretty nice with the compressed air, but I'm still gonna order a new one. And there's the part number. Well, that was a quick little maintenance on my ZTX5 54-inch deck. New blades, fresh oil, fuel filter, and I blew the air filter out for now, but I am gonna order another one, and just to get it to 100%. Need to order one of these because that's a safety hazard for sure. Not gonna wash it until the end of the season. I'm still gonna mow probably like 3-4 more times. So after that's done, I am gonna go ahead and give it a nice wash and store this thing away for winter time. But really love this mower. The mower I had before this was a John Deere, and it was a piece of crap. I bought it brand new. The transmission went out like at 99 hours, and I'm not even kidding. Like, that thing was a piece of crap. So this is well worth the money, because I mean, it was like almost $7,000, but I'm pretty sure this thing's gonna outlive me, honestly. And it is always garage kept, so it's fresh. It's 5 years old, 118 hours. Let me know in the comments how often you change your blades, your oil, all that. Pretty sure this is my 3rd oil change, but this is my first time changing the blades, and it looks like they last about 100 hours. I guess it depends on how many things you hit with it, but that's gonna be it.